very, very ice cold take. We should all report those bot accounts that, like, bully people. Like the ones, like Curly World, Wavy World, all of those bot accounts. Or like the Do Asia or something. We should all report them because they're bullying people and making people feel insecure. Even though they're bots, it doesn't matter. They're still making people insecure and they're still popular. If my subscription list is public and I'm subscribed to one of them, just know I'm trying to unsubscribe. I have a habit of subscribing to random people. Anyways, yeah. We should all report them.